Top cooler, lunchbox for any diehard Dallas Cowboys. Whether you are keeping your drinks cool for the tailgate or packing your daily lunch, this bag does it all. Fits 12 cans with ice comfortably, so you can keep drinks cool for the whole tailgate. Ultra-lightweight material and adjustable carrying strap allow you to take this cooler anywhere. GLACIER GUARD foil technology is proven to keep food and drink cold for longer than other leading coolers. Features zippered and mesh storage pockets, so you can easily pack utensils and accessories. Sport type. Football. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect gift, very durable. Gave this as a Christmas gift last year to my Cowboys fan brother-in-law. He works doing commercial roofing and takes this daily. It has lasted almost a year, which in construction gig lunchbox world is amazing. Lots of extra pockets for napkins, phone chargers, silverware and condiments. The pockets don't get wet from rain outside or wetness leaking inside the food storage part. Doesn't smush. Keeps food and cold all workday. Adjustable strap is sturdy and has held up to lots of wear and tear. Even the design is still fully intact, which again in construction says a lot. Definitely will be buying more for gifts this year and one for us at home to take tailgating.